I'm very proud to be working for an organization whose purpose is to improve patient life outcomes. And the breast service of the future is all about innovation in our technologies, radiotherapy techniques, which lead to service transformation.
And this is what I love and what GenesisCare is doing greatly, bringing together the right people who are motivated, who want to progress, want to learn, and to bring it even to a higher level.
It's a real pleasure to work with the Breast Innovation Group and to chair it. We're developing electronic multidisciplinary meetings, we're developing software that will allow auto-contouring, and we're going to be collecting a significant amount of patient-related data, all with the aim of improving patient outcomes in the long term.
Spain is part of GenesisCare network, and having access to this training about all the innovation in breast cancer is really important. It helps my team, my peers and myself to improve our results, our patients' treatments.
It's a pleasure to work with colleagues and other peers to deliver high-quality breast radiotherapy and other services to improve breast cancer care.
We've seen quite a marked increase in SIB patients across the network, so we're quite confident and quite competent in planning those. We look forward to more referrals for partial breast radiotherapy and for wide separation breast where we use hybrid techniques. We're quite confident in doing that too, so bring it on.